the power of the flesh. The power of the flesh. Nipa bia utie mi bia me person me mouth ya say honam no a your team no, that is I'm talking about your body. Your nipa bia we no. O tumi bi. Na obi obetuma akọ heaven bia you obi otumi overcome on the flesh. Obi a obetumi akọ heaven bia you obi otumi overcome on the flesh, including angels. And obi bega so for above for the woman flesh obwa. What kind 1 Corinthians, the Bible says there are celestial beings, there are celestial bodies. You was through nipedia. And only different from us as you see. But you were above forward I don't know how to put it. Above forward body. Well, they have body. They are very glorious. And you know nipedia. But they are different from yenye. And the angels that were created or that were called by God. Now was a woman see you process woman now we to di woman ni pediaso bon samantimi he became a failure and you know ko one above binom enti sana atafasa asisi bia nipa bia obeba ha bia no if you are able to overcome your flesh or you don be kwa examine chain no the flesh has a power over you and na me person who say oni nyame nya yonko fa the flesh will prove to you so you are very strong enti na yonhwe you know how to deal with the flesh. Na etunya boa ama ye ne nyankopon ntema yonkofa no etunya ye krabehwe na ansana no yankan Luke chapter 23 verse 44 na ebeye ewia dumienu no esum dira asase nyina so dikosi ewia nomiansa yehu ba no ewia durusum na soro da mu ntuma etwa mfimfini motre na yesu de ni kase tia mu se eja won sam na mede me honhom hye na ka saa no ojamu me pa cho utie mi Matthew chapter 27 na yanhwe asen so ho Matthew chapter 27 verse 45 na efiri beye ewia dumie ni bre no esum dira asase nyina so kosi ewia no miensa na beye se no miensa ni Yesu de ne kese tie ne se Eli lama sabatani ene se minyankopon adan nti na wejame minyankopon adan nti na wejame me pa cho me pesa sa two scriptures we combine ne ye de kasa we nyina si bra na ye na wura de Yesu Kristo enyam kanedi bra na o bewu physical even though I no krese wenwu na mom onu na de ne kra to ho oja ne krem aha sa na scripture ne kan na ebra Yesu Kristo eba asasi Yesu a oye nyamedwuma no me pese hu se ninya medwuma yemu mama sha sinfin ninya medwuma yemu onya 30 years a oye nya medwuma no scholars say even though it is not recorded in the Bible but additional for say obi to say Josephus and the theologians be say yes ninya medwuma 3.5 years which is true until years Christ from 30 years to 3.5 years now odi and that is 33.5 years no baby any ha yes Christ be na no ka say ne papa nka no ho apart from statements o make ya one way the other on tia saban sha obeka say other or contradicting ho an adabi statement ni say adentina wejame why has thou forsaken me so what kind of gospels na Matthew, Mark, Luke, John no say na Yesu ta make comment bi say major kan ho mumomitiri me
93.7
so my kwaba obo say na Yesu ta make comment bi say major kan ho mumomitiri me nyebribi major kan ho mumomitiri me nyebribi major kan ho sa comment na John dey na John ta akapa John ta akata Yesu enu krama obenya otan bi kona Pharisee for no say akwa we prove it say dey ase we nyame bi because obi a papa kyerɛ o monitum nye bibi gye ne papa o monitum nye bibi gye ne papa o monitum nye bibi gye ne papa iti no ebeye biribi te sɛ Yesu no otu a ne papa tu anu atiem ne papa tu anu atiem ne papa tu anu atiem afei ya che papa ni ya so so ye bono ne de ne sami asemi aso a asɛm a bɛka ne sɛ meja adentina crucial stage we there we jame a very passionate statement so ka so wo dwene ho akwa akira nsɛm bebre ya wonsɛm bo na ye bɛyɛ Kristofo a ye ka na ye hotoye ana ye botoye yɛn asɛm ni bi ni sɛ Bible say Nyankopɔn de ori nyaw yɛn na ɔmpaw yɛn ɔsɛm ne mo hɔ ɛnɛ nyinaa de kosi bi asɛ bi yɛ akudie bi ɛbɔbɔ ekyir bi ɛri yeye wo man tampia no me man tampia na asam yadeɛ mu nsuro mu na mu nsuo ma me na nam mu na mje mu ameka mo ho esu nu na yɛ wo han Nyankopɔn wɔ promises yɛ fɛ no golden promises bɔhyɛ ahodo a ɛkyɛn dwetɛ ne sika nyame de ahyehyɛ yɛn nti ɛtɔda ne yɛduru situation bi na yɛn hu nneɛma saa na ɛha yɛn now asase we yanko bio Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 Nyankopɔn say moma yenye nipa na yɛmfa asase nhyɛ ne nsa na ka na fidie si sɛ Nyankopɔn ɔyɛ ɔhene and whenever he speaks it becomes a law nyame ɔka asɛm a bɛyɛ mmara nti Nyankopɔn nka asɛm ɛma asɛm no sɛ waka na kɛkɛ me kai sɛ misia na misia Bible na ne mebo na me kɔtone Bible ma misi me di ehu hia me benye na me say na sa Genesis to Revelation there isn't a portion of it make us hu hia bibia hu hia enti no bibia hu hia enti na na do ye de boy Yesu nsɛm ne ade nyina Moses recording ni nyina ano Moses Old Testament enti na do ye de boy Yesu nsɛm pia ye de wo no everything was recorded don't mean kan tell me say bibi wo ha ɛho ɛnyɛ de nya ɔsɛ ocean so enti nyame ka sɛ moma yenye nipa ne mfa asase nhya ne nsa no efiri saa abra ne badi besinne asase we sɛ wunye nipa untumi emeye biribi asase so eti sɛ Nyankopɔn kora pɛ sɛ obɛyɛ biribi asase so a agye ɔbɛgye permission firi nipa hɔ ne wura nipa mu na wabɛyɛ bɔnsam so pɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ biribi asase so a ɔno nso gye permission firi nipa ɔno de ayɛ ɔnye permission ɔbɛwura na waba abɛyɛ nti ɛwɔ sɛ da bi awuhu sɛ nipa yɛho hia nyame papapapapapa the same time yɛho hia bɔnsam na bɔnsam no ɔnhia yɛn for the good ohia yɛn sɛ obetumi de ayɛ biribi na ɔde asɛ nneɛma ba nyame de ohia yɛn for the betterment nyame hia yɛ sɛ ɔbɛfa yɛn na ɔde ayɛ biribi nti wo nipadua no a wotum no yɛfa no ɛdan John Wesley say ɛnyɛ ɔno deɛ I don't remember be one of the early church fathers in making that statement no or say a preacher obi ɔka nyamesɛm ate sɛ obi a ɔyɛ dewuboni ɔyɛ newscaster na yɛde message ama no na yɛaka akyerɛ ne sɛ ɔntena pɔnkɔ so ɛmfiri Kumase ɛnkɔ nkran na ɔnkɔ deliver message nipa ne kɔ no ɔde pɔnkɔ no di mmirika dendenden nti oduru nkɔkɔ pɔnkɔ no na mu bui ɛna eyi no na ɔno nso ne ti bɛhwe hɔ po nti message no wantumi amfa nkɔ all because of say abo ɔte so no efeli no ɛma no so pride nti na saa preacher no ɔde abo no gyina ɔma yɛ body ana ɔde man na ɔte pɔnkɔ no so no de okra carrier no de okra the message no ɔde gyina ɔma yɛ spirit sɛ wotie mi a nipa bi a wo ba asase su bia no oba oni nyame di nkra yɛfa ne nkra bia oba asase su a nyame kye wo honhom tenafo na ɔne wo honhom ne adi nkra na waka kyerɛ wo honhom ne sɛ oba brana bɛyɛ adeɛ wei nti wo honhom ne ba no ɔde force na ɛba ɔba wa muamua ne nsa akata n'ani wakana no atum ena ode zin eba na oba nyame ade wo honhom ne ma ponko bi a ye friend nipedia o body wo spirit ne de only limitations otumi wura bia but o body no de our limitations na mom anadodo a o body ni bedi na asasi so no the same nano na o spirit ni sudi it is o body ni di 5 years asasi so o spirit na on train num enti se wo ba awo se nkra no oni nyame di ya no utimi fofele na ka utimu a wo de fofele sa nkra no aye fa nkra bia no eno wo body enti dia bonsam ya ne se o spirit no de on to me and hanu bebre because obi aya o spirit no ene ne one link direct aye nyankopon. And whenever I am speaking about the spirit of man, ebi kire say nipa ye honhom ye okra ne ye nipedia ye nyamiensa ye boa ye false doctrine. The atene say wo your spirit na wo ba nyame do betena body mu na anytime a body ne spirit be hia no na wo benya okra soul eti dia bonsam ya ne say enkra na wo ni nyame adi na wo de aba asase no o make sure say or the obstacles and you may be begu akwema wo body no entumi it is so ultimate chifa body no so a o spirit no de pass all your own to me meba hai spirit nine enja in fact adishebu also the only person otumi kum was spirit eye nyankopon na o body no the most powerful thing you to me this stop body ni ade ba akopa you find the death nti osoma for Paul say a Christo for your time for detour o chato owuo na yes Christo so kan owuo wan sam kire yen say bonsam betuma ye ndi obeye bia onya yen but ade ba akopa na bonsam betumi aya asasa ade no oya ehuhu tumi to so ma obetumi anya you find owuo etina sa bonsam esi wadwuma kwan osi waware kwan osi de obeye obi akwan na so da hukura nyanimu a otumi bon trani se nyemekum owo ya the last word that you catch nipa na nipa hopo if you say owo simply means you will no longer exist to fulfill your destiny enkrabia no borofo for the destiny it is a botaya oba asasi so no say yetumi stop o body na sa botaya no untumi nye so diabon sam ya ne say o body ayamra untumi nye dia wo say o spirit untumi nye nyama bi etina sa honhom ti obi mu na sa honhom no owie na dwuma na ope honam foforo mu akowura etina from the book of Acts ebesi Revelation who the body of Jesus no mom who the body of Christ because abofra no Mary the Virgin Mary wo no the pedu ade ba ya so ne Joshua Jesus by the tinu na di Jesus ni ya adwuma ya fa ne Christ enti abra Yesu Kristo owu ya osare ye no Jesus and Christ ni na tu ko osoro by Jesus no wakasoro and Christ no yehwe nagu nti Christ and the body about the Christ for your friend the church. So Christians are the body of the spirit called Christ. It is the spirit of Jesus they be an upper body AUC. Sana the spirit of Satan and so per body AUC body is very vital. Nipedia hu here it is a nipedia yetumi ya nyama bebre. Nipedia it is a gloves. Nipedia it is a socks. Nipedia it is a condom. Socks, gloves, condom, adahwa enyashe. Adi bibi wurem. Gloves odo wunse wurem ana gloves so ba mfaso. Socks odo wunse wurem ana socks odo na wurem ana socks so ba mfaso. Condom odo one of your parts wurem ana obehu ejuma eye. Sana your body no tie. It is the moment you remove your hands from the gloves is nothing. Eti ye nipadua we no obeye very powerful ebra on spirit enya ayonkofa. Ye nipadua we no ebeye very vital in life ebra on spirit enya ayonkofa. Therefore Bible say Yesu nyini no onyini in stature. In stature means Nyankopon prepare body no because Nyaminim say the body is very vital to prepare body my body no by your kama. Therefore who tie nya hwe nipadua si yi. Emaba wanu amwesi so a mudi nkuhodo airpom ho no de bia me catch me church members me say nanso oban ya wo a mi metumi yiri ti mesi wu kon so obadi no hwesi ye because obadi e deny say on pene ma won tena sa chi so wi aso be fono ayata bi say nifrafo wo mo so daye nanso hona fam na niefra etino body no won san ya fa no watman won nan ya barema hoodemfo wano ya fa no borono wani ya fa no mpoma eti wo se ya fa no eyiyamo o spinal cord ya fa no gita homa eti awose oka otanka photo of obehu je mikike nyina eti say o tie me you must understand say your body is very necessary eti the bonsan de bio ya ne say obenya your body no wa grep no because we preacher no ya chew sha dem say ya ma oni pedua ni mpia wo ho mu mpia nko preach eti bonsan ani wa body no pa enti abra Yesu ba asasi so no ala oti ni pedua mu no okwa oba de bia ya be pa no na ya body na ya be pa na kene na papa ne jane ya be pa body na na papa ne jane ya be pa body na papa ne jane dako ani yenya body ni so no se twe yenya body ni so no mu no eniema miensa bi si Yesu life anana be pasa mi no di hu nkomo number 1 ade dike so esi Yesu life no so ya tri Yesu no o kan ba brobo wusa ne ntoma ye chen na taade de ya ntim Yesu ataade nso na enim pamya no kira se ya mfa ahoma anjo so baabi a Bible mu no ataade ejinoma suban ataade ejinoma dibre position ataade a esaw hu mu kire suban yekura ataade a esaw a kire position yekura the entire Joseph ne brothers any brain ni nyina no say o kan ba brabo say Bible say Adam na yere Nyankopon beye ataade bi ma wo mo. If my memory is telling me right, I won't say ataade no Hebrew word na am say ketoneth. If my memory is telling me right, na me check Greek na me shade. Minim say ketoneth, but I don't really know say enwa. Minim say Adam pam say kagora say sakura, say chagora. But Nyankopon e be pam ataade bi ma onipa na yere. Funny ketoneth and then I measure say okay quote yeah ketoneth na Nyankopon ba ya ma Adam no megere no aya ataade asa wa beti wo hu na beti ukotodwe ebom the same ataade no oba Genesis oba hu say Jacob apam sa ataade ni bi ma Joseph oba hu say Hannah epamataade ma Samuel eno de na ketoneth na ye Miel eno ye different from that ketoneth no na ketoneth na Jacob epama ne ba Joseph no Bible say na ye nsasawa aya Caleb na ohwe Caleb na mintimi nkansem enkwa akire ohwe Caleb na obo say in the olden days so be a sofopenia na taade ye Caleb be a white, be a blue, be a purple, and be a funny breastplate, a parable, and also all the colors of the 12 tribes of Israel, and also boom. It's one way or the other. The entire Jacob, the man envy a woman near Joseph, no, not Jacob, a person or chere ne man say abusua ni mu omo so for penini Joseph. So they were envious ada na koda kito we na baba ya penini wa yan so. Because Hebrew for mamre mu no we ya penini we ya mo yeah. What's a Hebrew for mamre mu no can me asampo me first born obaba be replace that is Ruben. So Ruben a replace me anka Judah wo and Simeon wo o da koda ketua na wapam batakari oh and as I ketonep na that represent righteousness it says akoda ne tene on na make sure kwaya yemfa sunsun nyame ana oba dabe. So they began to envy him. And in the olden days so atade so na wutimwa you have been stripped off from your position. Until you make a Moses is on country as often penny for say, sir, atade na bizarre about mama woman, you cross one team. It is of penny no ten atade, Mubrana, yes, you be obisa, yes, in summer, or ten atade, or person on an assault with the chum. It is yes, spiritually, Yamidi share a soldier for Nakum, according to John chapter 19. Say, you cross one natad, and come with Timua. Na kamakisa that priesthood nke ni pankwa yanti but ya tusun tonto ana nipa ba akupenya aye iti Yesu ba ya no me pese mo hu se de ofra mu nyina no ebra yenya control over his flesh. Etada ya honam no bonsam nyame makwa ma bonsam nyasutumi. But the man was very careful. Sir, subaye kura no wa manansesa. The culture say garment represents or character. A certain represents a position. The position of Jesus as the Son of God. The position of Jesus is so godly character. No? He was captured. The pastor the word for now many usu 2 minutes rasa wa hiase. No. For now the mumu binu begwe fiase and rasa wa hiase. Ya ma ni tumi so nti ontu ahote force so no nu omusu nkunim rasa wa hiase. Na emom ya ka se nyame amakwa ma ya de honam asa bonsam sa rasa de bonsam plan so obaye wo no. Nyame no ama wa hoodi ja bonsam so onfanyewo. But so when you are young, confirm what dinner, bonsam to me take absolute control over your body. Yet, I was also to me hold you tight to your godly character. Yes, upon the year in Nano, Natad you maintain. Number 2, ya catch there, I saw your phone say yes, you want some more. And a call for Bulu dumping, and it was recorded saying you can see a Bulu dumping. Shadia, the body of Christ was pierced. Yes, Minipedian Yabonama not to pay. A representing Tiasma Mekani. The body of Christ are representing we believers. Obia or partner or play. When some are different from Wachi, or tell some are different from a pumpum. But also your body no are there been a connect to your body in my body in your one. Your friend bones. Your bones in a connect your teeth. Ya kon ya chi ya bo ya mfe ya sera ya to ya na ya kotoje connect into bones na ya bibi say iron rod and then connect your body managina into the bones represent the strength of Jesus. That is the spirit of God. It doesn't matter what the flesh will do to you. So when nyame wa yonkofa was so making sure so no honkon tamonte atoda one very careful, you will give up on the spirit of God. Atada uni nyame wa yonkofa, but one never careful, you will give up on the spirit of God. And she say yes to don't pay yamu. The man was able to, because Hebrews say every year boy yes are saying yamu nyina no me pa cho o kan Hebrews a obega zero say yes Christ na me da honhom so na kowuye. It means say from there now time ya chin will get samani kwapembro aka say in you I give you my spirit, you know, or in you I command my spirit, you know. So whether yes you can say if you be your chin no kwapembro wu ye nyina na honkon ne nam. Shannon so you can never endure persecution without the strength of God. nti papa no the word ada na we jam no ene na me pesa wo hye no so say yes na me dwuma nyina mu no ebra na honam fam onu no susu say e wo say Nyankopon so no mu no amara mfu say he was fully man no ye nipa ade ba ko me ni jiwo Yesu ho ne say onfo ni nipa sumira yensie komede no obaka cha so komede me Yesu nti say asofo a binuma haba na sọrọ ba ho akono wura no obeka cha ma abaya maame ho akono wura miti firi mi da mu ha koda bi o de ba sa no ho na asa no wana afọ ni nyina ahwe ase e fom bom ada na person what this guy so want to say there say we are powerful even than Jesus yes nam na wa bra otimi ka sama bra mu nkoto aduane ma ejima ho me oya bibi na hye no Bible say otimi ka say ade we dia ye mahi Bible say Yesu timi hu nyoma bi na ye no hu mahi Yesu timi hu nyoma bi na no ra ho saa nyoma no Bible ni kike nyina hye say papa no ba no na ni human weakness no o ma ye hu so ye nipa if you oduru pampan so bi na ni nipa sumu no aka say ya kura say eda eja no di baba bebu atempo onim ba ni nya misumu die onim enti say obaye nipa o limitation ye nipa dia we die o limitation o baabia ontumi nkonkoduru na uduru baabia ontumi nkonkoduru na ehwa na nyame toa so if you say Bible says Gethsemane before the shine den ebra Yesu ka se eja ada na wa pame no papa no onu Yesu na ka se hu se baabia wadu no o tin ka se ne papa eyinani okay se papa na yimani dia wo so hu se akwada bia wu su a akwada su a makai lady me baba o su na o chini pame unim o su na onhu mi esu na ma papa ohun mi ana ayaden nti mi su mi hu se na mi gya no o su o bala na ba na mewura ho ọba ho na makoba no ma ta fo akowura washroom na ohun mi a na etuna no ayade nti ya won nyama bia na Yesu a hwe won agya ho a ebese ni nkuran a wo bra na o so nipa bone no by open nkuran se no onya otunani a papa no nani betunani na ka ase ni nkuran wa yere no ho no papa ese memfa ho akwa se se o perform wo stage na judges no a hwe ajaji ni eyi wo mani yakọ ubregu eti papa ni wuni se die aduro ni die ono ankasa na bamu yebu eho the best na Yesu ya ni se odene honhom hye ni papa nsa wo hu se na bamu bu mejo na me ka so mpega ade bi mra ofi opega ade na ntumi na me se ade no we me baboy no o se da mi ntumi me se oboa o se da mi ntumi na me se wa amfre me me na we baako sanka o frɛ me a ka me boa iti papa no wuri sɛ agya ada na wagya me the word ada na wagya me ne kyerɛ sɛ mihiaw where are you ana papa no wuri sɛ deɛ adu no sɛ wamfa biribi a ma agya na biribi bɛsi nti deɛ ɔka sɛ okay sɛ wayi w'ani deɛ a ɛneɛ wo nsam ana mede me spirit ma ɔde ma sɛ na papa no asom nti papa no ne sɛ nya ne nipadua ne firi awufuom yani nyame nantie mu no yetumi duru mpampansuo be a it may seems like papa no onyin yahu bio wa bompa ya ba ya fast na ya etada kura da ba ya fast ne sa da na hunhu bi no be da meboa nti bonsam utufu ka cho say jai fast ne ye duka de wo yakwa hunhu sohwe the person ma me ka cho say so wode wani beto bonsam so jai de ada na unya bibia ama nyame na won hwe de nyame no abaye Job si so okumi mpa me hwe no atoda ya honam ho odin to an extent sir honam no person oproof you say the spirit is not qualified for us to rely on atoda ya na bonsan person odin honam proof kire you say nyame nye nyame a wo say di eni to no so atoda na bonsan person proof kire you say empire nya de wo say wo de hye wo ho na oba empire ye ne o say bonsan proof kire asofo bi say Yesu din entumi nya nyoma bi nti o ma sasa de o mo ho to anka atwade ene ajongo so eboa wo mo nso na dabi na wo mu behunu one very careful honam abama and Yama Usu sa. I was a brown one. Why shall not be denied? All these things are false. And the person of Martia says, every hour Bemba shall wound to me. Yashino. Only a young from me, Jadi Diamani. Atada, stop praying and thank him. Atada now vampire Casana Papanisi or own fear than us. Atada was all my umpire baby to such challenge or no Akata or Betunu Hofo. Yeah. Because unye bibia ma me bat me da wasesa wa ma me ye hiani ade me da wasesa ma ye sugeni ache me shawo no manyam say sugafo bebrewu bet me da was okay can say Mr. Papa Anthony who say you are still giving your weakness back to him. Don't give your weakness to sleeping. Pastor to the mekano yamudu do no wona ya ni nyame na ma na ejum pempen so bi na de ye pefi nyamo ye nya afa na ye say ma bompa ya ma bra mi nyai bra u be jai no anyama be sa asase ayedin Duncan Williams ka say mi wura mfida o se bible mu wa mu aka say de besie nsini bibia nsini wa siye asa se meyira menyira wa anyira akotofo no dunu se meyira ya nyira wa ma anyira Hanania Asaria Messiah Nebuchadnezzar to Omdi Sadak Misaka Abednego. What we can say the best science in house be yes, at the point of death, baby Anka was a major. Obi Abapumiana Yawo. Wankasa. But even though I don't see any sign, sir, you are encouraging me yet. In your hands, into your hands, I commend my spirit, make my home. I thought I am a Yankopon, man be a meeting, no meeting message be often. Yamena Yana no Hebrew for Yankopon. I thought that one and more, or to me, dinner or Shadia obey, saying cases or do Yama. I am not on Yamma, but I thought that I am not on Passai and then the band based on the Jesus obey my Yama Yenti. Because Obia, what to me a dog water and quad the chaswama, the dear Diona opera on your better or dog. It's a tada. When I'm from maybe a yasha, yeah, when I'm the person try and say, they are not power, don't listen to the flesh. Cause you are found to Yameso. So as I break my message to an end, all that I will say to encourage those who are listening to me this afternoon, they say, Minim dia unamu. Yenya ya nambimu ena mene menantie ya mene wa monami ye call office bi na nso anya mena mo bi so aka akire ye no enu bi ena mi sima gina sa me ka akire wo se ebi a ba bi adu na ya wo se nyame apo no ebi afa ne nyame be sa asie. He is the Alpha and Omega. And I want to say we are so se me ye kire se nyame hye bibi asi wi ana wa fra wo se wo be sa asie. Nti dia wo ya nyame wa wi adada na wo mom dia wo sha asa keke me wo de me tinkan architect no edan no wa do awie nti ma ode ama wo no materials na ya ready edan no you may think say anko plot no so onu ni nim say abako so ma bi pot ubenya a yard crack oni or you better than you. Or after that car, who you see car, and after who you see car, for to be to buy him say, you're big force, fit anybody now, I know a fire, I know a car, so what it's a deal winner. Now, the person of Martha says, God can fix your life once again. Kawakuma to him, and Kwakawan Redru, and Kwaberjamine, a young payable, concerning a minya yonkofa, Nanibrimuno, obeying the union half from. Sam says, your best about what you bring, and yet, I will need to bring. It will wait for God's time. Yanisha Nanya Kasia.